Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot some video and audio issues specifically for Google Hangouts. The first thing I want you to do is make sure your Chromebook or browser is updated. The way you do that is in Google Chrome, you click on this icon in the upper right hand corner of your browser, then click Help, About Google Chrome, and it'll check for updates. There's a few different variants. On a Chromebook, it'll ask you to go to your your Chromebook settings, click that, it'll take you there and it'll check. And then if it hasn't checked recently, you can click just check or something to that effect. Mine is up to date, so this is the end of the road for this that I have here. The next thing that you should, so once that's up to date, you know that you have the latest patches and software. Now we can get into checking the microphone and video of your browser, Chromebook. So you go to settings by clicking in the upper right hand corner the icon, a 3-dot icon, and then click settings. From here we're going to type camera, and this will take us to the section with the camera. In my case it's site settings. I can't remember, there's a few other in different versions of Google Chrome it has a different name. So just follow the prompt to the section, and you'll see it's highlighted camera for us. Very nice. If not, then just look for camera icon or the word. Click just click on camera, and you can see here we can select different cameras. We can also change the ask before accessing setting. Make sure that is turned on. You do want that to alert you. Down here we have our blocked sites and our allowed sites. I'm going to remove this just for demonstration purposes later on, but if you see Google Meet's blocked, go ahead and trash that, and then we will go back to Google Meet and reallow it. Now, if you do not see a camera in here, then more than likely you're either using a Mac or a PC, and I'll get into those variants later. So as for right now, this is how you'll select the camera. Now let's head over to the microphone, which is, sorry, I did that kind of too quickly. Here is the microphone setting. It should be very close to the camera setting, if not underneath it. So we're going to click the microphone setting. Again, we can browse the different options, ensure that this is toggled on to ask you, and again, for demonstration purposes, I'm going to delete that allow that I had in there. So I have no blocked and no allows. Again, check block, make sure that Meet is not blocked. Changes are automatically saved, so we can close out of settings, head over to your inbox, and then over to Meet. Of course, you do not have to create a Meet in order to do this. You can join a Meet that somebody else has already done. Either way, this will come up for you if you haven't already done this. And it's asking if you want to allow. Don't click dismiss down here. Click up here in the upper left hand corner. You'll see this dialog. Click allow. And this right here, Meet is unable to access your camera or microphone. So I don't know why it said microphone, because I do know microphone will work, and I can show you that in a second. But camera will not, and that's partially because I'm recording this video. So here I am. I've allowed my microphone and my camera. Now let's go ahead and try it out by joining. In the meeting, I should see, if I unmute myself, this little bubble, and so I know yes, it is working. Camera, if I flip that on, it doesn't do anything. So yes, it's not working. From here, there's one more step you can take to test, and that is by clicking the more options button in the lower right hand corner of your Meet. From there, click Settings, and this brings you to your audio and video settings of the Google Meet. Again, you can check or select different microphones. On the video tab, you can select different cameras. Over here next to the camera, it gives you a preview, so that's a nice handy way of checking to see if a video would work or not. So here I've selected a different camera, and it says camera is off. If I select this option, I guess it just doesn't do anything. And then again, back to the, yep, that's it. It just says camera is off. That's again partially because I'm filming this, and also it just hasn't really worked for me. And that's okay. As long as I have audio, I'm good. I can participate in a meeting. If you so that's that. All right, so that's Google Hangouts. Now, specifically for a PC, if you're having, if you just cannot get your audio to work in your Google Chrome browser, what you need to do is check your microphone. Check to make sure that you even have a microphone connected. And the way I do that is I click on the Windows icon in the lower left hand corner and then type sound. So this pulls up, this gives you the option to pull up your sound, and then from here I can go to recording, and I can see all the microphones that I have connected. If you do not see, if all of these options are grayed out, or you only see these two options, more than likely you don't have a microphone connected, and you need to figure out something like that. If you do see one like so that is ungrayed, and there's maybe some volume bars, maybe not, you can go into the properties and adjust your microphone to hopefully deal with solve any issues. The one setting there that I hovered over, levels, this helps. Like if this is way down, your microphone is not going to produce any not really gonna work, I guess it boils down to. All right, so okay, we just click OK, and after that you can repeat the Google Chrome settings, starting with the Google Hangouts settings first, and then maybe working back to your browser. So yeah, that's all I've got for you for today as far as this tutorial. I know there are some issues that have been persisting, and so hopefully I can send out an updated version of this video once I've resolved those issues. So thanks for watching. I hope it helps.